Good afternoon, this is a Shaman Oracle reading for this new week, and today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer, and this reading here is for Taurus. Welcome, Taurus. I'm using the Moon and Stars Tarot to start a reading, and we do start with the Ace of Cups. Keywords are opportunities, love, and an overflow of emotions, and the meaning of the card is satisfaction. Positive emotions overflow within relationships, could be business career prospects and creative projects. There is a deep feeling of emotional satisfaction as you lead from your heart, allowing abundance to flow freely within your life. If you are in a relationship, this card can mean the next step or a grand gesture. If you are single, you are in the right state of mind to search for a new love. Psychic growth is going well, and new opportunities will present themselves to you. This card is a good omen. There is a moon message. There is a new reason for you to be thankful for. And the other card is Two of Swords, and that card is inevitability, stagnation, and decisions. And the meaning of the card is crossroads. You are stuck at a crossroads and you are undecided on which path to take. Now you must recognize what is important to you. You are avoiding the inevitable. It is better to confront this confusion sooner rather than later in order to move forward. You may not be able to see the outcome of your decision yet, as you do not have all the facts. So communicate with those around you and listen to your heart before you decide what to do. There is a star message. Make a decision about which direction to take, as doing nothing will only hold you back. The crystal wisdom healing oracle is rose quartz, and the rose quartz relates to unconditional love. The rose quartz is full of unconditional love and infinite peace. It draws loving relationships to you. It heals the past, emotional traumas, and also provides support during a crisis. There is a self-understanding. You are a beautiful soul who has infinite peace deep within and enormous empathy. Relationships are where you learn your soul lessons. So heal heartbreak or abuse and dissolve toxic emotions and pain that prevent you from giving and receiving love. You have power to love unconditionally and to support others. The divination of the stone is to forgive yourself. Love and beauty approach you. Loneliness is at its end. Emotional blockages, they dissolve. Do not accept any blame. Recognize that unconditional love and friendship, they draw exactly the right people to you. Once you love yourself, you can give and receive love from others. So support is available in a crisis. There is healing inside. Unconditional love is the greatest gift you can give to yourself and also to others. The frequency of the stone is medium to high, depending on the stone's clarity. The chakras the stone relates to is the heart chakra. The timing of the stone is going into Taurus and Libra energy, and the soul path is radiating unconditional love. The oracle of the fairies is friendship. Fairies and humans alike, they need friends. Now is the time to seek out those who will support and encourage you on your journey to fulfill your dreams. We all need someone we can trust, so to share our private thoughts with. This card tells you to reach out to old or new friends, to gather your friends around you, for there is power in numbers. Friends can offer advice that can give us hope and another point of view. Fairies too gather in groups to support each other, and there is great wisdom and comfort in doing this. Like-minded and like-hearted friends, they are like fairy dust, shining in our darkest and lightest hours, and they are always there for each other, no matter what time of day or night it is. True friends, they celebrate our successes and our joy, for they are truly happy when we are happy. This card is also asking if you are being a good friend, or have you neglected your friendships lately. Perhaps an old colleague or school friend needs you to reach out to them. Close your eyes and see who pops into your mind, and then get in touch with them. Perhaps give them a call or send them an email just to say hi and to check if they are doing okay. Friendships, they can last a lifetime and should therefore be treasured. It could also be a time to make new friends for you, so join a class to learn a new skill, or go for a walk at a popular park or some attraction. By getting out and exploring, you are much more likely to meet others with similar interests than if you stay at home. You never know, you could make an fairy friend forever. And the last card is the Woodpecker from the lovely Animals Oracle. And the Woodpecker card is about projects, determination, and also concentration. The general message of the card is to achieve what you want, you need a lot of determination and a high level of concentration. Every little distraction hurts. You should go deep into your substance and soul, but never forget to focus on your concentration. The strength of the Woodpecker card is determination to achieve one's own goals. The opportunities of the card, they are your wishes or your projects, they are successfully realized. A bit of weaknesses of the card could be that you are distracted through small details, and you are starting new projects, sometimes without finishing the previous ones. That can cause some chaos. So, Taurus, that was your reading. I thank you very much for listening. I wish you a wonderful day today and a good week ahead. Take care and goodbye.